Hello guys, in this video you will learn how you can find watch later playlist right here on YouTube. So without further ado, let's begin. So now first is to go to your YouTube app, open this, and then select any video that you want to save on watch later playlist. Now after that, you can see this option right here. And then you can see right here this option, save. So now by tapping on the save option, the video will now go to watch later playlist. So if you want to watch later a video, what you're going to do is just to tap on save option. And then now what we're going to do is to go to your profile. To go to your profile, just tap on this icon. And then now right here on your profile, you can see playlist. Now just swipe it and then you can see this watch later playlist. Now just tap on that to see the video that you've just saved. And here you go, this is the video that you've saved in watch later playlist. Now, for example, you want to remove your watch later playlist, so what you're going to do is just to tap on this three dots beside the video. Now, when you tap on that three dots, you can see play next in queue, save to playlist, remove from watch later. You can also download the video right here, or you can share the video. And that is how you can find watch later playlist on YouTube. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!